Imagine walking into a military hospital in the 1850s. Dark, filthy, overcrowded, with soldiers dying, not just from their wounds, but from infections. In that chaos walked a woman with just a lamp and a vision that would transform healthcare forever. Florence Nightingale's story isn't just history, it's the living connection to the way we fight diseases, care for patients, and use data in medicine today. The lamp she carried through the dark wards has become the symbol of nursing. Today, her light shines in every nurse, every hospital, every patient cared for with compassion. From lamp to life.